I was involved in the Transanal course, and Transanal course is more about local excisions, selection of patients, indications, and training. So it's a very practical course. I think that's wonderful. We can see that a lot of people are very interested. They were fully booked for 2 days. We had a wonderful faculty, we had wonderful, very enthusiastic participants, and I think we practiced a lot. So we highlighted the planes, we highlighted indications, and they did a great job. And you can see that's a lot of demand for it. And I think the practical course in the last 2 days, pre-course to the big conference, are very helpful and very interesting for the participants. I hope at the end I hope they feel safe to do surgery and for the right indication. That's actually what I hope. And see by training and by repeating what they do, they become better after a few procedures, actually. And so when they go home and they have a good proctor, a good mentor, they should be safe to move on, I think. Education changed dramatically, of course, because you have everything. You have the videos, you have live transmissions, we are working on deferred live, having recorded with multi-cameras and then play back what you want to see, the hands of the surgeon or the feet of the surgeon or the view intra-abdominally or external view. So you have so many options. Even with AI, you can record what speakers say. The options are unlimited, actually, to have good teaching. And I think also nowadays probably all teachers or all mentors are more approachable. And that's one of the things also that I think the St. Gallen course is very strong in, to be very approachable and come together after the course and have a beer together and chat about surgery and all the tips and tricks of safe surgery. That's a good question, we are moving to robots. The robots have to be safe. I think the surgeons should be in control, but that's of course a bit selfish maybe. But we are moving on. And I think with big studies, we more know what to do for what patients, a T1, a deep T1, with multiple risk factors, a T2 lesion, radical surgery, neoadjuvant treatment. We still have a lot of studies to do to see where we are in 5 to 10 years, but it's going much faster than in the past. Interesting times, and colorectal is fun. Colorectal surgery is fun.